So now I will show you how to do a factory network unlock. In my opinion, this is the most valuable way to unlock your phone, and once you have an unlocked phone, you will be able to resell it at a higher price, and your phone will be compatible worldwide with all carriers. The first thing we have to do is to disable Find My iPhone, so simply go to Settings, scroll down where it says iCloud, and scroll all the way down where it says Find My iPhone. Make sure it is completely off, so you can turn it back on once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. Alright, so then we have to get the IMEI number. Simply open your dial pad and type *#06#. So as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear. You can also find this number on the back part of the box of your phone or also in the SIM card tray. Alright, so this is by far the most important part of the whole unlocking process. Now keep this number somewhere close as we will need it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Alright, so now we're gonna use the computer. iTunes saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Boom, there you go guys, your phone is now fully factory unlocked and now it's compatible worldwide with all carriers. You should get a full signal on your new carrier. And that's it guys, that's how we unlock an iPhone 7. That's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. By the way guys, we're also giving away a free iPhone 7, completely sealed, brand new phone. You can find the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
What is up YouTubers? Finally Pangu has released the new iOS 11.3 jailbreak. That was really fast and Pangu has been finally back. No, this is unbelievable for most of you guys, but it's true. I just jailbroke my phone today. It's already jailbroken, but I will show you the whole process and how I did it. Here is the first time I restart my phone. You can see it's already processing the jailbreak after the first boot. The iOS 11.3 has been released today, and unexpectedly Pangu has finally come back to the scene with a fully untethered jailbreak. This means if you restart the device, the jailbreak is still there, and here I'm gonna prove it to you. Apart from the iOS 11.3, should work on older models of older firmwares, but also older phone models. I'm using an iPhone 6s at the moment, but it works for all iPhones, including iPhone X. So here is my phone, and cydia has been installed successfully. I'm gonna show you how to do it in a bit. I'm gonna open it, but first I will show you the iOS version. This is the latest iOS 11.3 guys. I just updated it today and jailbroke it. Go about, as you can read there, 11.3 and the version. Okay, so now back to cydia. See, this is the only real jailbreak guys. This is the only jailbreak where cydia is working. Here I will open cydia and show you that it works. I will also add the source, so I can fully prove it to you that this is working. And I showed you the iOS version, which is iOS 11.3. Gonna add a random repo that it comes on top of my head, and we'll show you that it's working. Also want to mention that this works for the latest iPhone 8, the iPad Air, and also iPhone X, as I mentioned previously. That's all about cydia. Now I will show you quickly how I did it and how you can do it too. Just go to your Safari browser and type jailbreak.pangu.net. This is a really simple jailbreak guys. It will take you less than a minute to do this, and it can be done remotely directly from your device. This is a new 2018 iOS 11.3 jailbreak. You just select your Apple device and the iOS version you wish to jailbreak, and you verify compatibility. I found this website earlier this morning and I used it, and I didn't have any problems with it whatsoever. As you can see it, cydia is working for me. And right here I hit the jailbreak button. I'm just going through this quickly to show you what I did so you can do it too. And right here it was a human verification. It didn't take me long, like a minute here, but if I recall, it worked on the second time I tried it, not on the first time. So I had to install another application here. Just I opened the random one, I installed it, it didn't work the first time, but when I went and did it again, it worked after. Okay, after you install the app, you just read the instruction. Every country should have different verification methods. I don't know how it works, but for me, I just had to install a simple application and keep it open for 30 seconds. That's what it read. Just read the instructions as you're told. And that's it, guys. Right here, after I opened the app, I just restarted my device and Cydia was there and it was installed just as shown. So guys, thanks a lot for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, but also make a comment down below if you need help and I will help you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.